what is the average that refers to the climate? Is it mean, median, or mode? Now, when you hear the average global temperature or the mean global temperature, that is the mean. That's everything added together divided by the number of observations. So basically that if you hear the global mean temperature, that's every single pixel that we have averaged. So that's the average global temperature. Meteorologists and other climate scientists will often use the median, because this often, if you have a distribution which is skewed, this will give a more accurate representation of what the average is rather than the mean, which can be offset by, if you have 40-degree days in temperature, for example, that can offset what the actual climate of that place looks like. And then median can be a bit more useful. The mode, however, is rarely used in climate science because things like rainfall, the mode would be 0, and wind speed, it would be very low, and temperature, it doesn't really give us that much information. So the mode is rarely used, but we do like probability density functions. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen and have a look at some probability density functions and how they might change with climate change. So this top one, you have a normal distribution of mean temperature, or sorry, of just temperature, because the mean is in the middle. And this is what it looks like if we have a warmer climate. So you just see the distribution has stayed the same, but the average has just been moved to the right. So it's gone up a degree, for example, and then you get more hot extremes and then fewer cold extremes. The bottom one is when you have a different distribution. So here shows the variability. So how much the temperature varies from day to day has gone up because of climate change. And this can happen. So it can shift the distribution. So you can actually end up getting more cold days with a different distribution because of climate change, because it's changed the probability density function. So overall, we use the mean, sometimes the median, very rarely the modes, but we like to look at probability density functions, as you can see here. Thanks for the question. Bye.